Okay, so okay, so I'm unboxing my brand new KingSteam steamer. It's a 2-in-1 hair and facial steamer. Okay, so I already did the tape. It comes with these little cards. So I have a 12-month warranty and my user manual. And then I already done did the tape. I guess this is the back part of the contraption. And this is the spine. As the water comes up this way to get into the hood. Here we actually have the hood. It's in there snug, so it doesn't come out easily. Okay. And it looks like it has a foam sort of liner on the inside. I keep that sleeper travel because I'm going to be traveling with it. And here we actually have the thing. So this is the part that does the magic. Has the cord nicely wrapped with a, I don't know, what do we actually call these little wrapper things, like a bread tie? It has that. And it has the cup. Alright, hello and welcome back for part 2 of my adventures with the KingSteamer. This again is Seeking Abundance. I don't think I introduced myself last video. So let's just get right to it. This is our hood. I had to take out these foam pieces. Be careful so you don't end up with all those little foam flurries. And we have a silicone pipe, and this is called the main body according to the manual. Yeah. So it has like a little kind of a corkscrew looking thing, but it's really just a push in. We just push it down in there, and then we connect the hood. So for the hood, I recommend connecting this nozzle part to the back of the hood first. Just kind of slip it on in there. It takes a bit of wiggling to get it. And then you go ahead and connect these hook parts. All right, assembly, pretty simple. So the next step would, of course, be to add the water through this. Okay, so you add the water in through this little hole right here. I wish it came with some sort of a funnel, but it doesn't. That's okay, we can make it work. I have plenty of cups. I'm gonna wait to add the water until after I've washed my hair because I'm a clumsy person in a family of clumsy people and we don't need to spill that water. All right, so I'm gonna go wash my hair, maybe make a video about that, and we'll get back to it with part 3. Thank you, see you later. All right, so I know I look absolutely ridiculous right now, but I am now under the steamer. The instructions in the manual are really simple to follow. You just take off that water cap and pour in your distilled water. I really do wish that it actually gave an amount so you don't just kind of have to watch and go. And maybe later on I will actually measure out how much water I used for you all. But I poured in the water from our home water fountain in the corner there. Oh, can you see it? Yeah. I poured in the water into this little section, plugged it in, and turned on the steam. That went for about 6 minutes. And then I pressed the ozone button. Once the steam actually started coming out, it made the water tank turn blue. They say don't look directly at it, so I did not. And they also recommend wearing a towel across your neck so that if there are hot water droplets, they don't burn you. I have my robe on underneath. I think it's gonna be fine. I guess we'll find out if it's not. And I still do have my scarf on as well. Also, it's a bit hot under here, so I did go ahead and I opened up the valves on the top. It's pretty easy to use, although it's like a little confusing and a little scary because I'm afraid of tipping this over on myself. But I did open it up a little bit so that the hot water or the hot steam is not just burning me to death. And that's my dad over in the mirror, if you can see him. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
All right, I'm gonna go. Talk to you later.